Hi there, my name is Stephen Pfeiffer from Oorsee.com. One of our team members, Walter Jackson, lives in North Carolina. Him and his family have been severely impacted by the latest hurricane that plowed through their district. Walter has taken some videos and some photos, and he asked me to compile it for you so that you can see what South Africans over there are struggling with.
Goodness, that's our favorite bench to sit on, and now it's underwater. Good God, the wind is strong. I thought the worst was over now. No, I'm gonna get back inside. This is the first tree we've had to cut down, and then this one we cleared. Well, then there's 3 sets of power lines and 15 more trees before we get to the main road, so this might take a few days. Yesterday we cleared the main road of trees so a few people could get out, but now this is what I have to deal with in my driveway. I already cut the one tree, so we'll pull that out the way in a minute, but then it's this thing has got to go next. It's like they all just decided to fall right across my driveway. 7 of them, 7 trees just to get out of the house, where along with power that we lost yesterday, we also don't have any water now. So we can barbecue, but there's nothing to make ice with for the brandewyn. So my neighbor's up there, starting from the top, and I hope to meet him in the middle in a few hours, and then we'll be able to get out. Fun times in North Carolina mountains. Our driveway's finally open. We still have some wires to deal with. Big cable. That's gonna fall over soon. Maybe even when we drive over the cable, it's gonna fall, but it'll be weeks before we have power probably to this area. This is how desperate we're getting, filtering water so we can use it to cook, and making a fire so we can boil it. Everything's wet. The wood is a mess. Kids are chopping wood. Boiling water so we can wash the dishes. There's nothing clean in the house anymore, and we're filtering it because we're getting water from the lake, which is quite dirty. It comes out and starts this brown, and then we kind of have a 3-stage filtering just to get sediments out, and then it looks a lot clearer by the time it's done. It takes a long time. Much longer than just opening a tap or putting it in the dishwasher. But it's all we've got at the moment. This is how people drive here, with a stick holding up the cables. So we're gonna try and find friends, but we can't drive over this, and the road's shut there anyway. You can hear the stream roaring down. So we've got about 2 miles to walk up the mountain to go find our friends, hopefully safe. This is the road to our friend's house. Not much of a road left, so definitely they ain't coming out this way. Ben, have you seen anything like this?
No.
It's utter madness. This is where the road used to be, and that is, we wanted to also get to the waterfall, which you walk down this path here. We thought we'd get cleaner water down there. But I guess we can come and get water here before it gets into the lake, because then it gets all messy and dirty. But we ain't getting to our friends up this road. This is what it's like to kind of walk around here. Power lines down. The road is completely missing in that section there. As you can see, it is completely washed out all the way up there. And then the duck underneath trees and power lines. And now it's just, the river has washed away the road on both sides. And it's utter chaos here. We've heard the National Guard is on their way, but it's been 3 days and we're only just getting out of our driveways and into the neighborhood. We can't leave the area because of mudslides. There's only 3 roads out the mountain, and all 3 have washed away or are covered in mudslides. So we're stuck here. We can't even leave unless you have a helicopter. Potjiekos pot is saving our lives. Cooking water so we can wash. Already did all the dishes, washed up everything in it. Now we can wash ourselves, and we'll clean it out completely, and then boil some more water from the spring that we will be able to drink. So we should be fine for another few days. Hey, stop it. Yeah, loads of soap. Oh my goodness. Freddie, go wash. You smell bad. Ja. Ja. Baie seep. Okay, Ben, seriously. Vee net dit af met die handdoek, want jy druk dit in seepwater en dan wil jy nou jou hare minder seep hê. Nee, onthou julle bits. Was julle bits ook. Ek sal ophou film en ons sal wegkyk, maar onthou om jou staf te was.